Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Apple's M-series chips have revolutionized Mac performance. But what's next? Today we're diving into the M4 craze. We'll explore the release timeline for upcoming M4 devices from MacBooks to the Mac Pro. This is your one-stop shop for everything M4. The M4 revolution begins. Remember the excitement when Apple unveiled the M1 chip? It was a game changer, offering desktop-level power in a sleek laptop. Now the M4 promises a performance leap even bigger. Imagine smoother multitasking, blazing fast video editing, and lightning-quick app loading times. This chip is a powerhouse for creative professionals and tech enthusiasts alike. First look, the M4 iPad Pro. We already have a taste of the M4 magic. The iPad Pro, released in May 2024, boasts this cutting-edge chip. Users are raving about its responsiveness and silky smooth performance. Whether you're editing 4K videos or creating stunning artwork, the M4 iPad Pro handles it all with ease. M4 Macs on the horizon. Now let's talk about Macs. The first M4 Mac is rumored to be the 14-inch MacBook Pro, expected to hit shelves in late October or early November 2024. Design changes seem minimal, but we might see a new space black color option, adding a touch of sleekness. M4 Pro and Macs, double the power? Now things get exciting. There's a chance Apple might unveil M4 Pro and M4 Max versions of MacBooks alongside the 14-inch model. This could happen at the same event or at a dedicated event in early 2025. These higher-end models cater to professionals who need the ultimate power for intense workflows like 3D modeling or high-resolution video editing. Mac Mini gets an M4 boost. The Mac Mini, a favorite among developers and budget-conscious users, isn't left behind. It's also expected to receive an M4 upgrade in late October/early November 2024. Interestingly, it might skip the M3 chip altogether, jumping straight to the M4 and M4 Pro options. This signifies Apple's commitment to keeping the Mac Mini competitive in the performance arena. iMac, an early upgrade. Apple usually upgrades its iMacs every 2 years, but the M4 might change that. Rumors suggest a potential iMac upgrade with the M4 chip by the end of 2024. This earlier-than-usual update could be a welcome surprise for those looking for a powerful desktop with a stunning Retina display. MacBook Air, M4 for everyday productivity. Popular MacBook Air, known for its portability and balance of performance and battery life, is expected to receive the M4 chip in March or April 2025. While no design changes are anticipated, the M4 promises to enhance everyday tasks like browsing, working with documents, and running multiple apps simultaneously. Mac Studio and Mac Pro, powerhouse upgrades. Let's talk about the heavy hitters. The Mac Studio, a powerful desktop workstation, is expected to get a refresh with M4 Max and M4 Ultra chips at WWDC 2025. This is another instance of Apple skipping the M3 generation, showcasing their focus on pushing the performance envelope. The Mac Pro, the ultimate Apple desktop for professionals, could see an upgrade with either the M4 Ultra chip or the rumored M4 Extreme chip, combining 4 M4 Max chips at WWDC 2025 or even later in the summer. This would be a beast of a machine capable of handling the most demanding workflows. The M4 Advantage, why upgrade? So why should you consider an M4 Mac? The answer depends on your needs. If you're a creative professional pushing your machine to the limits, the M4 Pro or Max will be a game changer. For everyday users who value responsiveness and efficiency, the standard M4 chip will be a solid choice. Find your perfect M4 Mac. The M4 chip promises to usher in a new era of Apple Silicon performance. But with so many options on the horizon, it can be overwhelming. Don't worry. Head over to the comments section below and let us know what you'd use your Mac for. Whether you're a video editor, a developer, or a casual user, we'll help you find the perfect M4 Mac for your needs. Remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on the M4 release. We'll be bringing you the latest news, in-depth reviews. The future is M4. The M4 chip represents a significant leap forward in Apple Silicon technology. With its impressive performance and efficiency, promises to empower a new generation of creators and professionals. Are you excited about the M4 Max? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, happy teching.